Hello and welcome to Philosophy 108 306 Ethics. My main concern with this short introductory video is to make you aware of how we're going to meet in Microsoft Teams. My name is Professor Pat Kenny. I'm your instructor for the course. You are already on Blackboard and maybe you're just clicking on things and seeing what happens. Here on the home page, you should already have an announcement. Again, classes are not starting until Monday, February 1st, but the Blackboard page is open just for people to get familiar with how things are set up, and again, specifically to see what each instructor's arrangements are for meeting in a real-time remote class. Again, I will be using Microsoft Teams, which is part of the Microsoft Office 365 suite. Now I have an independent link to Microsoft Office 365 here. If you click on that, you will see that it brings you to all kinds of information about how to get started and all of that. But I also have, if you see on the announcement here, really the place to go once you've sort of familiarized yourself a bit with Microsoft 365. If you end up on the student home page and clicking on Office 365 here, this gets you to this. Now again, I'm logged in as myself here. You'll see versions of various documents that I've been working on here. Microsoft Teams is over on the left. There's Microsoft Word, which you all have free access to as well. PowerPoint will be using those. And this, where's Teams? There it is, Microsoft Teams. Now you can do everything mostly okay by just doing everything over the web by clicking on this and taking it from there. The better thing to do though is go up to this guy here and install Office. And that installs all of these things on your laptop, on your desktop. Hopefully you've got room for it on your devices. And again, more features are available if you work through the actual app, the actual Microsoft Teams app, instead of doing everything over the web browser. And once you're in there, once you get into Microsoft Teams, so I'm going to click on my app here. There's all kinds of things going on here. Don't worry so much about the Teams page here. I will have added you to this course here, Spring 21 Philosophy 108 306. What you need to worry about, again, I'm really mostly concerned with making sure we can get to day one on February 1st. Click on the calendar and, well, there we are, Sunday the 24th. As we arrive at Monday, February 1st, 9:35 in the morning. Well, for some reason I have two versions of the class here, but one of these, you will have one, I assure you. And when you get in there, there isn't one now because we're not meeting, but if you click it, or even if you hover over it, there should be a link for you to press, for you to click on that says join, and then you will join the class. And that's basically it. Once you get in there, there will be some hiccups. There will be little bits and pieces for us to resolve as we get going in the course. But we should be able to get to the starting point of the course, February 1st, 9:35 a.m. Make your way to Microsoft Teams. Go to the calendar. Look for Philosophy 108 306. Click on the button that says join, and then that should do it. And I hope to see you all there.